I got a new truck that I'll be able to do work on. Z71. And this is the RST model. What that means is the trim level is just white. It's the same color as the car. And inside here, you get wood grain. The wood grain right here. It's really nice. You get a lot of Z71. You get everything you need. Auto towing packages. This is a crew cab, so I got the cloth seats. You don't really need nothing. Got these put on. And other jobs I can do to this car now. So this one, I'm going to plug the tire. Show you how to do that. Permanent fix. I do it to every one of my cars. All you need is something to get the object out with, and one of these to kind of clean it. Rubber cement. The thing to put it in there, and these. You can get the short ones, the long ones, and the tire isn't really that thick. Short ones will work, but that's a cheaper kit. And so this is a screw, so hopefully I can just screw it out. Yep, I can just screw it out. You hear that air coming out. So what you want to do is take it out. Make sure that your cement glue isn't dried up. Undo it with some pliers because it was really tight, but you want to take it off. Make sure the stuff is still good in there. And you want to get this out. The secret is the glue. So we want to use the glue for everything. So clean it out. Put some glue on it. Clean it off. The secret to making it all come together is the glue. So make sure you get it nice and clean with the glue. It's nice and clean with the glue. You should wear gloves, but I don't have any. I'm going to take one of these out, feed it through. Feed it through just like that. I can use these to kind of grab it. There we go, that's nice. And then lather this up with glue. Blue. And if the glue is good, it gets into all the crevices, and this is cement glue. So this is what's gonna boy. Blend in and give it, pull the tool back out. There you go. You put some more glue on it if you like. Just chop this off. Give it a go drive it to kind of make it all smash in. That's not coming off, so I'm not peeling it out. But I crimped it, so it should just fall out once I start driving. But you can see how long that is and how long this is. So you have this much stuck in there. That's pretty much with all glue. And when you drive on it, it gets compacted. And then there you go. And that's it. It works on any tire. But you should drive it to kind of work it with the glue. And the glue packs it in, and but it's all up to the glue. If you get glue on the inside of the tire with this, and everything's the glue covers up the air holes. And this kind of expands it so the air doesn't come out. But as you can see, this is rubber, just dries like rubber. So, permanent fix.